Stickers are a fun messages feature that allow us to reply or react to a message with a graphic or images. Tap the plus button and then stickers to view your stickers. All emoji and memoji can be used as stickers, and we can also utilize stickers from certain apps. In my case, I have stickers from the Workout app and Etsy. Tap on this edit button to rearrange, remove, or find more sticker apps from the App Store. Stickers can be placed directly into the text field with a single tap, or we can tap and drag on a sticker to move it into the conversation. I'll drop this one right on top of this photo. In iOS 17, we can now create custom stickers from our photos and videos. This section will contain our custom stickers. So let's tap here to create a new sticker. We're able to select from our full photos library or any of our albums. We can also view only certain types of photos with the filter buttons here. Photos of a distinct object or subject are going to work best as stickers. When I tap on a photo here, iOS is going to attempt to extract the subject from the photo. It does a good job in this example. This lift subject feature was new last year in iOS 16. Tap Add Sticker and it's saved here in Messages. Tap and drag to place the sticker into the conversation. Tap and hold on a sticker here to add an effect to the image such as outline or shiny. The outline effect can help the sticker stand out when placed over an image. We can also tap and hold to delete a sticker. Next, I'll show an example that doesn't work very well. This time, I'll select the photo of this dining room. Only a couple random areas of the image are extracted because there isn't a distinct subject. So if I really want to add this image to a conversation in Messages, it will be better to share the photo the standard way. Next, let's grab a live photo. This image of the Canadian flag can be used as a sticker, and the live photo animation will be part of it too. Tap Add Sticker, and the animation is displayed in the sticker preview and when it's added to the conversation. Now let's start from within the Photos app to create a custom sticker. I'm going to select this flower photo and then tap and hold on the flower to invoke the Lift Subject feature. In the menu above, we now have an Add Sticker option. Simply tap that and it's added into our custom sticker collection in Messages. Oddly, when we start from the Photos app and try to add a live photo with animation as a sticker, it will only come in as a still. If I try with that same Canadian flag live photo, when I add it as a sticker, here in Photos, it's only saved as a still sticker, no animation. Stickers can also be created from a video still. In this clip from a hockey game, I'm going to pause the video when the referee comes into the frame. Then tap and hold on him to lift subject, and then add sticker. The use of our custom stickers aren't limited to only the Messages app. When we create a new custom sticker, it's also saved as an emoji. So from our keyboard in any other app, we can access our custom stickers and then add them into our text, just like an emoji. So being able to quickly make your pets, friends, and family into stickers should be one of the most fun new features available in iOS 17. For more on the Lift Subject feature in Photos, refer back to the What's New in iOS 16 tutorial.